Hey, welcome! Before I work you through the demo of LeadPal, I just want to tell you a little bit about the product. LeadPal is a social lead generation, reminder scheduler, and viral lead generation software. A cloud-based app that can be set up in less than 60 seconds flat. We all know how incredible opt-in forms are for building your email lists, but there is still the work of actually getting a visitor to your website in the first place. Well, until now, because we've developed a tool that puts opt-in forms right where your target audience hangs out, LeadPal creates opt-in links by integrating with various social networks, APIs, and no coding is required on your part. LeadPal eliminates the need to drive traffic to an opt-in form by creating opt-in links, a new and easy way for your audience to sign up to your mailing lists from anywhere you can share a link and with the possibility of your content going viral. LeadPal helps you grow your email lists by collecting verified emails with social opt-in links from platforms like Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Twitter, now X, Amazon, Google, Yahoo, and LinkedIn. This eliminates the collection of fake email addresses, and now you can collect real verified email addresses people use when they create their social accounts. If you sell anything online, these are the most valuable email addresses you can get, because these are real people who buy and spend money online. Now let me work you through the app and its amazing features. When you're logged into LeadPal, you'll be able to create a campaign. You can start a campaign by clicking on the Campaign tab. Once the campaign is created, you can generate your links and view your analytics. The Analytics section helps you track the performance of your campaigns, allowing you to see how well they are doing by reviewing metrics like the number of clicks, the platforms your audience used, and the emails that were collected. You can also create reminders by linking your domain or website. This feature allows visitors to schedule reminders for a later date to encourage them to make a purchase on your site. In the Setup tab, you'll be able to connect your autoresponder HTML form. And on the next tab is where you can integrate and sync your leads to our supported autoresponder platforms. If a specific integration isn't listed, you can use a webhook or Zapier to sync your leads with your autoresponder. For instance, I've connected my autoresponder here. This new integration allows you to see the list of supported autoresponders and campaign management tools like ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Drip, and many others. If the service you use isn't listed, you can use webhooks or Zapier to connect your autoresponder. Moving on, the Refer a Friend tab is a powerful viral leads feature. This is what sets LeadPal apart. This feature allows your subscribers to share your content or links with their friends to unlock rewards, which has been responsible for over a 1,200% increase in user engagement. This feature alone can more than triple your lead generation. You can also access your training guides here. And if English isn't your default language, you can click below to select your preferred language and translate the dashboard into that language. To create a campaign, you can start by clicking on the Create Campaign tab. First, you'll need to give your campaign a name and a brief description. You'll also want to add a fallback URL. This is where visitors will be redirected if they decide not to continue with the opt-in process. Next, you'll be able to customize your campaign by selecting the social apps you want to integrate with. You can also add default content that your audience will see. One of the key features we've added is the ability to collect emails using traditional opt-in forms. With LeadPal, you have the option to enable or disable this feature, and you can upload your logo for branding purposes. Once you've configured these settings, you can sync your leads by integrating with your preferred autoresponder or by using an HTML form. After everything is set up, click on Create Campaign to finalize your campaign. This is how your created campaigns will look on the dashboard. After creating your campaign, the next step is to generate a link. To do this, click on Create Link. You'll need to enter the target URL. This is where subscribers will be redirected after they've subscribed. If you have a lead magnet, you can upload it here, or you can provide a URL for the lead magnet. You can even do both, using a target URL where subscribers can get redirected to your landing page and also download the lead magnet. Once you've configured these settings, select the campaign you want to associate with the link, and you can further customize the form if needed. Afterward, click Create Link to generate the LeadPal link. You can click the link to preview it and see how your link will appear to users. This will show you the exact view your visitors will see before they subscribe using any of the social links. Another great feature of LeadPal is the ability to use different formats for your opt-in. For instance, we offer an embed option, which allows you to embed the widget anywhere on your website. The best part is the individual button option. For example, when you click on the button option, you'll see that you can embed individual buttons just like embedding a Twitter widget. Now let me unveil the feature we've all been waiting for. Drum roll! The href URL option. This is my best option. Simply copy the href URL, open a new tab, and paste it to see how it looks in action. You can add this link anywhere your target audience hangs out. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to select the email address you want to use to opt-in. After selecting the email address, you can easily continue with the opt-in process. Once the opt-in is completed, you'll be able to receive the subscriber email information. This feature can also be embedded directly on your website. For example, if you want to replace a generic opt-in form with a more modern opt-in method, you can easily do so. All you need to do is navigate to your website builder, remove the existing opt-in form, and replace it with the new method using the embed or linking options. Let me quickly do that by first copying the Google href link and then pasting it into the desired location. I'll do the same for other social platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook. After making these changes, save your updates and refresh the page to see the new changes take effect. Now, your visitors will be able to opt in using LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google buttons. For example, I can opt in with Google by clicking on the Google button, and this will redirect me to a page where I can continue the opt-in process. Once completed, I will be taken to the target URL that we set up earlier, which could be your target URL or lead magnet. When you navigate to your links, you'll see the leads that have been collected. These leads are automatically displayed here. Additionally, when you go to your autoresponder, you'll find that the collected leads are synced there as well. Now, let's check out the subscribers. You'll be able to see the subscribers that were just collected, like the one we captured moments ago. If you wish, you can download the subscriber list or even download the data in text format. As you can see, it's incredibly easy to set this up. Moving on to the reminder feature, you can create a pop-up here after you've added your domain. You can also link a new domain and create a pop-up. Select the campaign you've created here. If you've set up a Refer a Friend campaign, you can connect it here as well. This is how the pop-up is going to look. You can use any of the social platforms and customize the pop-up's appearance to match your brand. You can adjust the colors, layout, and other elements. We offer 2 different formats for you to choose from, and you can also customize the language in which the pop-up will be displayed. Additionally, you can control how and when the pop-up should appear, whether it's a one-time pop-up or how it will appear on specific devices. After customizing the pop-up, you can also look at the reminders that will be sent. These are the emails that will be sent to remind users to take action. You can fully customize these reminders to suit your needs. Once you've completed your customizations, simply click Save and Close. After that, you can easily enable or disable your pop-up and grab the embed code to add it to your site. For the referral feature, you can create a new campaign here. Start by giving it a name and following the steps provided. This is where you'll see the participants who have engaged with the referral widget. If you haven't linked the referral campaign yet, we'll go ahead and link it now. To set it up, give the referral campaign a name and specify the rewards for both the invitee and the referrer. You can add the rewards in the appropriate sections. You can also set the number of invitees needed for the referral to unlock your lead magnet. Once they reach the required number of referrals, they'll be able to access the lead magnet. Finally, you can customize how the referral page will look. The default settings are provided, but you have full control to make adjustments and personalize the appearance to match your brand. Once someone subscribes and opts in, they'll have the opportunity to share your content with their friends to unlock your lead magnet. You can fully customize the appearance of the page, including the colors, layout, and overall feel. Every element you see can be adjusted to match your brand's style. In addition to customizing the page, you can also personalize the emails that are sent out to subscribers, reminding them about your offers. They'll be able to track the leads collected, how many people they've referred, and other key metrics. These customizations can be managed here, enabling you to tailor everything to your needs. After making all the necessary adjustments, you'll be able to link this setup with your campaign. Let's quickly go through the process. Simply click on Edit, then select Refer a Friend. This is the target URL subscribers will be redirected to after they've opted in. Once you've set everything up, click on Update Link. Now let's proceed with testing the referral feature. Since we've already set up the Google integration, we'll use it for this demonstration. With just a single click, users will be redirected to the Refer a Friend page, where they can share your content through a link or directly on platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and others to reach their friends. Subscribers will also receive emails, notifying them of bonuses or additional leads they've unlocked. As you can see, LeadPal is incredibly easy to use and highly effective. The potential is limitless when it comes to collecting verified leads quickly and even going viral at the same time. Do get a copy now that you can, and I hope to see you inside the members area. Thank you.